gonna bring my things, you know. Ngayon, ang payat ko. Nung nakaraan, ang taba ko. This is unfair. Ito yung bag ko. This is my bag. This is kinda unfair. They called me, taba. Now, I'm payat. Pamay ng tuwalya. Sige, sa'yo na. Yours na po, tuwalya. Uy, si ma'am, may last day pa kayo. Yes, Tisoy. Na-late kami sa flight namin, Tisoy. Ngayon, nandito ulit kami. Nag-extend kami. Another payment na naman. Sayang. Okay lang, at least nakapag-swimming kami. Tinuruan ko yung boss mo mag-swimming. You know, we did our swimming lesson tonight, earlier. Yeah, we had a swimming lesson, right?
Yep.
How is it? You had fun? It was good, very good. You had fun. Nag-swimming kami, naging teacher ako for today. There!
You left it?
Yeah. They're gonna bring it here, maybe. Hey, Alicious! So, ayun, extend kami one more day. My bonus is still there, eh. My pasta is still there. They're gonna bring it, maybe. No, they're gonna bring it. Don't worry. Still there, oh. Hello? Walang play. Wait lang. Nag-live-in na kayo ng BF mo, TM. Hindi kami live-in. May pasta. Hala, grabe. Sayang, anong oras flight nyo bukas para tawagan ko po kayo para dito. Gisingin mo kami, Tisoy, ng 9 a.m. 9 a.m. How much to do private? You know, risky. You drop one yacht here, and then one yacht, one dragon, one marry me, so I can private you, okay? One yacht, luxury yacht, one dragon, and one marry me. Then I'll private you. Char lang. Na-PM ko na po. Okay, sige. Unicorn. So, that's the value of my private. Okay? If you can do it, then let's do private. I'm gonna end my life. How you doing? Ayun, someone will get my food. It's raining. Look at the view. Guys. Ayan. It's raining. Guys, to-star nyo naman ako. Ang dami natin dito, oh. Looking for someone na makakapagpa-2-star sa akin. Robin. Robin. Private pa nga ate ko. Sabi ko nga kung pa-private niya ako, di ba? Pengi ako ng one luxury yacht, one dragon, and one marry me. Di ba? Shika Judeju. Dali, if you want private, send me luxury yacht, send me one dragon, send me marry me, and send loving castle. That's the value of my private, okay? Nice. Si Mom Empress. Diba, Shika Shudijud, Shurishi. That's it. Hi, Ebo. Dali na, Robin. Nandiyan pa si Admin Robin. Tinakbuhan ako ni Admin Robin, no? Nandiyan ba? Your food is getting basa. Yeah, basa na. Wait, where's my food? No, they get it now. They're getting my food now. Where's my food? My food is basa. Oh, where's my food? I don't know, maybe they throw it no. Where's my food? Hala. Spilled more basa. Excuse me, pa-follow up na lang po yung food na iyon. Thank you. Glenn! Hi, Glenn. Basa ang pagkain. Say it, basa ang pagkain. Ni Emperoni. Basa ang pagkain. Hi, Empress Shihat. What is Sihat? Siat? They think I'm done now. I'm not done. Where's my food? Basa ang salong. Ba't nabasa? It's raining here, Boss Algord. It's kinda raining. It's raining, raining. Oh, baby, it's raining, raining. Baby, come into me. Come into me. Oy, basang-basa na. I-check ko pa ba? Basa na eh. Baka sabaw na yan. Alo, sige okay lang. Itong part lang. Paan na lang. Basa na yung ano ko. Ayan, lipat ko na lang. Ayan na. Nagkasabaw na yung pasta ko. Ha. 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 Basa na yung pasta ko. Ayan. Thank you. Sarap pa naman ng bolognese niyo dito. Ayan, okay na yan. Thank you so much. Nag-swimming din. Thank you po. Nabasa ang pasta ko. Nag-swimming din siya katulad ko.